Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox voice chat not showing up. If the voice chat option is not showing up in the Roblox, do not worry. This is usually caused by the account eligibility verification requirements or the privacy setting or the outdated version of the app. So firstly, make sure you have signed into your Roblox account and open your Roblox. So after that, you need to go to this more icon in the bottom right. And from here, what you need to do is you need to select setting. And under the setting, you need to select this privacy and content restriction. And from here, you need to select this communication. And under this communication, you can go to this voice data usage and make sure it is turned on. If it's turned off, you need to simply turn on this icon and that is it. And after that, you can go back and you can also go to the App Store and check for the Roblox. And if there's any update icon, you need to select this update. And that's how you can fix the Roblox voice chat not showing up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.